So yes, we have a project to build a museum website, and work with me as I show you the step-by-step guide I will take in the process of building this website. What the owner want or the client wanted was a basic museum website that just displayed the art gallery. Or as a web developer and someone who has an insight in art development and business in general, I feel there are better things we could do that could make the website more effective and beautiful. So instead of just a basic one page website, here's what I decided to do. First, I decided to come up with a homepage. The homepage is going to be SEO friendly and has some banner image which includes sliders, banner, and good description of the museum platform or the museum settings, and good description of how we present the museum to the world. Now, secondly, have to create an exhibition page, the page that showcase the art or the beauty which this person has actually done, the artwork the person has actually done, and the craft and everything on the museum. Now, not stopping there, I decided to say, okay, let's include a shop. Now, it's okay if, because the museum, they actually sell some artwork. And it's okay if we actually add a shop to the platform so that people can get to purchase artwork from the platform. So, since the museum sell out artwork, it's okay if people go there and actually get to purchase this artwork. Now, not stopping there, I also talked of adding a blogging section or a wiki section where people can go and find out details about artifacts, artworks. They could actually learn how to do things or make inquiries, get to know about things that are in the museum in the state. Now, mind you, this museum we are working on, this museum website we're working on, is for a state. So it's a full state museum website. So we're going to show you how it looks. And from from what I've just explained, I hope you get the picture. Now, I just hope you get the picture because I'm going to show you the website in the next video. So while we wait for the website, please don't forget to hit our subscribe button and I'll come your way again. Bye.